What is series circuit? In this chapter, we will learn the difference between series circuit and parallel circuits. This is the simple circuit we made in chapter 1. Let's add one more light bulb. Switch on. Looks like the battery is too weak for the 2 bulb. Let's see if we can fix by adding one more battery. Switch on. This is a very simple example of series circuit. All current travels through each device. In series circuit, when any part of the circuit is open, the current is stopped flowing. Thank you for watching.